time! It's time, people! It's time for another safe and sane demo for you! No, you! But before we get to the firework, say hello to the one, the only, Sergeant Pyro!
Hello.
Hey, Sergeant Pyro, what are we gonna demo tonight?
Miraculous Magic Box.
What?
By Monkey Mania.
Monkey Mania, which means we're probably gonna go bananas a little bit, and it looks kinda, well, magical. I just had to use the word to describe the word, right? They used to teachers hated when you did that in school. Let's take a little tour around it. We got a perfect square. We got our caution. Hey, there it is, everybody. Light fuse and get away. All right, and we're gonna,
Oh! On the bottom.
There we go. Now we're gonna zoom in with Ziggy. Ziggy's here, everybody. All right, performance is pretty straightforward. It says, let's see, fun firework effects inside a magic box. It's great for pyros who love surprises. Oh, we like surprises. Red smoke, flash, neon, color ground bloom flowers. Oh, okay. And gold spring snowballs. And check it out, lasers all in one box. So we're probably going to see things flop out of it. Let's go around one more time.
There's the top.
There's the top. Now, Sergeant Pyro, where can we get this in Arizona?
The only place to go. Santan Fireworks.
Santan Fireworks. SantanFireworks.com, the #1 safe and sane retailer in the state of Arizona. And they are open mid-June for your July 4th, 250th birthday celebration of America. SantanFireworks.com with 75 plus locations around the state of Arizona. They're also in New Mexico. And hey, El Paso, Texas, they're going to be out your way. Celebrate with SantanFireworks.com for all your safe and sane firework needs. Whoa! Are you ready to head out to the street pad? Yeah. Let's go! Let's get some magical fireworks going on here. Special effects on this one, everybody. Get ready, Ziggy! Oh. All right. Little, yeah. Oh, yeah. Here comes your smoke.
Of course, somebody trying to escape again.
Yeah. You know what? The smoke is cool at night.
Oh, that was the guy fixing the perimeter fence.
Ah, he finally finished.
Yep. Took him long enough.
What was that, acre 17?
Yep.
Yeah, well. Thank you. Whoa! Ha, ha, ha! Whoa! Whoa!
Okay.
That was wicked! Yes, I said wicked. Welcome to my generation. Wasn't that cool?
That was wicked. Northeast?
Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Incoming!
Yeah, really?
Damn! Whoa! Whoa! You know what? I haven't said in a while. BBQ! We gotta get more of these!